Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to clear data or clear history from ChatGPT. Okay, so if you want to clear all the data, all the question you asked on ChatGPT, you want to clear that things. So how to do it? So first, what you have to do? First, you have to just open ChatGPT. Okay, so when you open ChatGPT, here you can ask all the things which you want to ask with chat gpt, and now you want to delete it. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just click on this two dot, and here you will see option chat gpt, explore gtp, and no recent chats. Okay, so now you have to just click on your profile pic. Here you will see, now here email upgrade plus personalization, data control, voice security, all the options are there, but you have to just click on this data control. When you click on data control, here you will see clear chat history. Okay, when you click on clear chat history, here you will see all your chats will be cleared from the history. This cannot be undone, and created memory will be retained. Okay, so like this you can clear all the data from the chat gpt. If you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.